So there are 6-7 broader things. One of them we have already discussed in some detail, that is consent.
Right.
Similarly, there is something called breach readiness.
Right.
So you'd like to throw some light?
Yes, definitely. So in case ever, and in a very feeble cyber security currently with the advent of AI, a lot of data breaches are happening. So in case, God forbid, any data breach happens, so the government has laid down a 72-hour timeline that you have to act upon it and let the customer or the data principal know that there has been a breach.
Correct.
So there must be a breach readiness flow in case a breach happens. Yeah. So that has also been laid by the government of India.
Correct. And the second or the third means first consent, then breach, and the next comes in notice and disclosures.
Right. In terms of notices, when you have to particularly create consent, so you have to give a particular notice that, okay, we'll be taking this data of yours that will be used for this particular purpose, and this is how we will use it, and also share where all the data is being shared to.
Right. And similarly, law also mandates, as far as we understand, that you have to also provide options in terms of Indian languages or scheduled languages of India when you are providing notices to the users, because I believe most of the Shopify don't sell to a specific region where most of the users belong only to one linguistic criteria.
Right.
So when the linguistic criteria varies, so they also should have the right to easily read and understand the notices given by the company. So there is another part.
There are 22 scheduled languages under the Indian Constitution, and the DPDP Act mandates that the notice must be in each of these languages, so that any data principal who is a resident of India would be convenient for them to understand